Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. As promised, in today's video, I'm decorating my house for Valentine's Day. I'm starting with the living room. I'm gonna be doing the foyer, dining room, and bathroom. I would love it if you stick around till the end. This beautiful throw is from Z Gallery. I bought it over the holiday season on clearance. The items on this video were on my winter decor or my last two hauls. If you have any questions, please shoot it down in the comment section. In this floral arrangement, I am using a combination of flowers from Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and TJ Maxx. Many of them I bought recently on clearance after the holiday season, so I am using a combination of flowers for both spring and winter. Everything else on the coffee table are from Home Goods. This beautiful vase was a DIY. I will leave the link in the description box. On the shelves, I'm not gonna do much. I'm only adding these glam boxes on each one of them. This wall art was on the other side of the wall. It is for my wedding, and it has my wedding invitation, our picture, the wedding souvenir, and the menu. So it is perfect for the occasion. On this side, I added my beautiful mirrors that I showed you recently. These are jewelry boxes, but I'm gonna add them here, and I have some coasters in them. The coasters somewhat make them fit in the area. They cover the fabric spot for the jewelries. I know I always have hand sanitizer in the front door. These books are my regular books. I got them from Hobby Lobby, but they are just perfect for the decor. And this is my decorative book from Amazon. It has so many beautiful decorative ideas. This bouquet is from Amazon as well. It is just so pretty. Over here in the family dining room, I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to replace the candle because I think the centerpiece is fine for Valentine's Day. And on the next video, which coming out on Wednesday, I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day table escape photo. Up there, I added my love sign, which I think is super cute. Over here on the bar cut, I have some beautiful paper napkin. I added some pink flowers in the white flowers that I had there initially. Some candy. Beautiful glasses are from Hobby Lobby at 50% off, $5. I added this heart-shaped candle as well. And this is what the bottom looks like, almost the same as on the last video. In the bathroom, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna change a few things around. If you wanna see the full bathroom tour and set up, the link will be in the description box and at the end of this video. On February 10 and 17, I'm gonna be in my husband's channel. The name of the channel is I Live Life on Purpose. We're gonna be sharing our love story, our success, and our struggles. That's what, you guys, you're gonna be getting the juice. I hope to see you guys there. But meanwhile, feel free to check him out. Before that, he shares tips on life, money, and relationships. A link for his channel will be in the description box. Finally, we are done. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. To my fellow Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Y'all know I love you. We just reached 20,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou.
Mi corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta canción.
The video for this dining room was uploaded last week. It is a great video. I love the place. It is so serene and so beautiful. If you want to know where I purchased anything and see the setup and see the full dining room tour, please check out the video in the description box. You will not regret it because it is truly a beautiful area and the Glam Squad are truly enjoying it. I have so many positive feedback on this video. It's ridiculous. Thanks for all the love, my beautiful friends. Since I got asked about the work and the barcode the most, they are from Amazon. The link will be in the description box. Many other things are from online. The links will be in the description box as well.
De no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás. Es que tus besos me saben a miel y todo. corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita.
Guys, if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone you think who might be interested. I thank you for your time today. I look forward to seeing you on my next video for a romantic night table setting. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Do not leave this channel without hitting your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye bye.
Que dure siempre esta casualidad.